Hello everybody, it's Guy here, part of the Call to Legs tap dance art project, and I'm just going to do a quick recap video for the people who weren't able to be on the Zoom lesson today on how to make some makeshift tap shoes with our 2Ps that came in our art pack and some sellotape. I'm sorry, we couldn't give you all a sellotape dispenser, so I'm cheating because it's much easier with a dispenser. All right, that's a pair that's already done. And this is the pair that we're gonna convert now. So I'm gonna move you to over my shoulder so you can see down at what I'm doing. There will probably be a lot of fast forwarding during this video. So in your art pack, you've got a little paper envelope. So just get that unwrapped, and that's full of 2p pieces. There should be 14, so that's 7 for each shoe. Don't need those yet. So I'm going to start with the right shoe, and I'm going to do the toe first of all. You might sort of do this, be better doing this, balancing the shoe in your lap, sitting down, but I've got this very helpful Jersey cow to help me. So I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to put 4 coins on the toe. Hope you can see this. And then I'm going to take a piece of sellotape. Yeah, this is a good idea, maybe to get someone in your household to help you make the tap shoes, but you can do it on your own. So I'm going to get a bit of sellotape, and I'm just going to put that on the center of those 2Ps, and then just to get those other 2Ps semi-secured, I'm going to do a cross. So there we go, a piece of tape across there and a piece of tape across there. That isn't going to be enough for a toe. So I'm going to take 3 or 4 more pieces and just layer it up. I think one more piece just at the bottom there. So that's our toe tap done. For sort of extra security, what you might want to do is take the tape all the way across the toe. In fact, it's a good idea. If you're worried about damaging the uppers of your shoes, you can make yourself a little toe leather protector, and you can run the tape across there. I'm not going to do it on these shoes, but that's a possibility, just to protect the leather so you don't get a sticky mess on there. All right, I will probably jump to fast forward as I do the next shoe. After saying I wasn't going to do my toe protectors, I did, because I really like them. I pinched that image from a Keith Haring illustration. He was a New York graffiti artist, and I just really like his graphic style. So anyway, we are going to go on to the heel taps now. And the heel taps, it's exactly the same principle, but instead of using 4, you use 3. And I put mine in a triangle like that. Okay. So my cow becomes useful again. Put like that. One heel, And I'll go on to the next heel. 1, 2, 3. And actually on your heels, it's quite good to take the tape up and around into the body of the shoe. It just gives it a little bit of extra stability. Again, if you were worried about the leather, these are very old trainers, so I'm not worried about them at all. You might put some paper or something underneath, a bit of tissue to protect the leather. But if you're working with a duffed up pair of shoes, it's not going to matter too much. Thank you, Jersey Cow. Excellent helper job there. So that is one pair of lockdown tap shoes ready. Obviously your tap dance will be much better on your feet, but that's it. That's a how-to. So I hope that was useful and helpful to see how we do it. And you can use lots and lots more sellotape just to get them properly stuck down, and they will come off occasionally, but you can just keep applying more sellotape, or do as I think somebody in the group has done, applied it with no more nails, the 2 pence pieces, and that's if you're really not worried about your shoes at all. All for now. See you later.